Best 7 drinks to detox and cleanse your kidneys fast. Your kidneys are vital organs tirelessly working 24/7 to filter your blood and remove waste products, toxins, and excess fluids. However, what you drink significantly influences your health. Certain beverages can effectively cleanse your kidneys, helping them function optimally, while others might overburden them, potentially leading to chronic kidney diseases. In this informative video, we will explore the top 7 drinks that are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for detoxing and cleansing your kidneys naturally. These drinks have been scientifically proven to enhance your kidney health and overall well-being. By incorporating them into your daily diet, you'll be amazed at the positive changes in your kidney health. Before we start, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share the video on your social media profiles. Let's dive in without further delay. 1. Water. At the top of the list is water, seemingly obvious yet undeniably the best drink for your kidneys. Water forms a major part of your blood, carrying essential nutrients to cells and flushing out waste to the kidneys. When your body is deprived of adequate water, the blood becomes more concentrated, making it harder for your kidneys to filter. This could lead to complications like kidney stones, infections, kidney damage, and even failure. Water also plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure and maintaining body temperature, both important for kidney health. The recommended water intake varies depending on factors like age, activity level, and overall health, but a general guideline is to aim for at least 8 glasses daily. 2. Unsweetened green tea. Green tea, made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, is a powerhouse of health benefits for your kidneys. Unlike black or oolong tea, green tea is not oxidized, retaining its natural antioxidants and polyphenols. These compounds are vital in neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation in the kidneys. Green tea's epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, is effective in preventing and potentially treating chronic kidney disease. Drinking 3 to 5 cups of unsweetened green tea daily can provide significant antioxidant benefits without added sugars. 3. Black coffee. For coffee lovers, here's some good news. Black coffee is excellent for kidney health. Studies indicate that regular consumption of black coffee can decrease the risk of developing kidney stones and acute kidney injury. One study in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases revealed that increasing coffee intake modestly can significantly reduce the risk of kidney stones. Coffee's antioxidants and caffeine boost blood flow and oxygen utilization in the kidneys, enhancing their function. However, moderation is key, and those with existing kidney conditions should be cautious with additives. 4. Low-sugar smoothies. Smoothies are a delicious way to include more fruits and vegetables in your diet, which are essential for kidney health. They provide essential nutrients while satisfying your sweet tooth in a healthy way. When making smoothies, opt for unsweetened Greek yogurt and low-fat milk as bases. Incorporate low-oxalate berries like blueberries or strawberries and sprinkle in some hemp or flax seeds for a protein boost. These ingredients are kidney-friendly, offering antioxidants and other beneficial nutrients. 5. Unsweetened cranberry juice. Cranberries are renowned for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can lead to kidney damage if untreated. The compounds in cranberries prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract. A study in Food and Function in 2019 showed that cranberry supplementation could reduce UTI risks by 32% in people with chronic kidney disease. Unsweetened cranberry juice also combats oxidative stress and inflammation, aiding in kidney health. However, consult with a healthcare provider before regular consumption, especially if you have high potassium levels, diabetes, or allergies. 6. Lemon water. Lemon water, a simple mix of lemon juice and water, is beneficial for kidney health. Lemon's citric acid can prevent kidney stones by increasing urine pH and volume, diluting waste in your urine. This helps your kidneys cleanse your blood more effectively. Lemon water also hydrates your body and supplies vitamin C, a potent antioxidant. To protect your teeth from lemon's acidity, consider drinking through a straw, rinsing your mouth afterward, or using fluoridated toothpaste. 7. Red grapes. Red grapes, while not a drink, are juicy and beneficial for those with kidney concerns. They contain resveratrol, an antioxidant that protects kidneys from damage due to factors like diabetes or obesity. Low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, they are suitable for kidney disease diets. The National Kidney Foundation suggests including grape juice or about 15 grapes daily in your diet. In conclusion, these 7 drinks and foods are not only tasty, but also incredibly beneficial for maintaining healthy kidneys and overall health. However, remember that moderation is key, and always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or fluid intake. Remember, your beverage choices play a crucial role in kidney health, just as much as your food choices. Do you regularly include these drinks in your diet? Do you have other healthy drink recommendations? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for watching.